it's a little bit floppy. It's a little willy-nilly. We're all over the place today, folks. Hey guys, welcome back. So I got my March Boxycharm box here for you today. So as usual, I've gone ahead and opened up this box. I've tried out the goodies inside. So I'm just gonna run through the different things in here, share some information about these different products, let you know my thoughts and opinions on them, and just do a little unboxing. So let's get to it. Okay, so the theme this month is La Vie en Rose. La Vie en Rose. So first thing I got in here is a skincare item. So this is the Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. And let me see what it says. This is $34 is the retail price of this. It says containing a blend of skin-loving acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, mangosteen, and green tea leaf extracts. This mask instantly purifies and replenishes dull skin. Excess oil and impurities are drawn out and absorbed by kaolin clay, minimizing the appearance of enlarged pores. This rose gold skin-saving peel-off mask dries quickly and peels off effortlessly, revealing a smoother, clearer, and brighter complexion. So I used this last night. I don't like peel-off masks. Just in general, I've decided I really don't. Other than the only one that seems to sort of work okay for me is the Glam Glow, the silver one. That one I can kind of like get it to work on my skin. I can't get them off. And I tried different things. I try to apply them really thickly, you know, like put them in a certain spot so that I can really like get a good peel going on them. But I just feel like it like almost stresses me out, which is so silly to get stressed out over a mask. There's a fuzzy flying through the air. You know, it's silly to get stressed out over a mask, but it kind of does, because it's like I feel like I can't get it off my skin. So anyway, I thought this was fun, that it was rose gold, because it did look rose gold. I was able to get it peeling a little bit on my forehead, but I had to wash off the rest of the mask. I mean, maybe I'm just not an experienced peel-off mask person. Let me know if you have tips and tricks, but I've tried applying it thickly enough that I can, you know, get a good peel on it. I've tried to like get it thick enough to the edges so I just can't get it to work. So as far as the experience of using a peel-off mask, not a big fan. But after I used it and today, I do feel like my skin looks nice. So I do think it maybe did something for the appearance of my skin. So if I can figure out how to use it, I do think I like it. I just peel-off masks in general just aren't my favorite thing. Next thing in here are a couple of brushes. This is the Mota Brushes Powder and Soft Glow Kit. And this retails for $29.99. It says let me go ahead and open it for you so you can be looking at the brushes while I'm reading about them. So they look a little dirty because I did use them. Okay, so it says your new Mota 2-piece powder and soft glow kit is the ultimate dynamic duo. The two brushes were designed to give you your desired look. The elegant rose gold tapered handles and two-tone synthetic brush hair make this brush set the perfect addition to your brush collection. So I did use both of these today. So this one is, I guess, a powder brush. Yes, a powder brush. And then this one is a soft glow brush. So this is a nice, I like that this is kind of a little bit kabuki. Like it's not a huge powder brush. So I really enjoyed the experience of using it today. It just didn't feel like it was like overtaking my face or anything. It feels like a good size. I think it's even a good size that would work for bronzer and also blush. So I really, really like this. I think it feels nice and good quality. Love the rose gold. So I do really enjoy that powder brush. This one I think is kind of different, which is fun. Again, I like the handle on it. I think it's pretty. It does feel like nice quality. I did use this today with my highlighter. This definitely gives you a more diffused highlight look. So I guess for that reason, it's kind of cool because it does give a little bit different of a highlighter application versus a smaller highlighter brush, which is going to give you more, you know, concentrated color. So I did like it for that reason. I don't know that I'm going to reach for it a ton, but maybe it's just more so that I need to use it more to kind of get used to the experience of using this, because you can kind of see it's a little bit floppy. So it's a little willy-nilly, you know, using it because it's a bigger, looser sort of a highlighter brush. But I don't know, I think it's kind of cool. It does feel nice and soft. So I'm not mad about this. I think these are really nice quality. Now this I'm just gonna say I was not a fan of. This is a mascara. Y'all know I'm super picky about mascaras, so Some people may like this, but this really didn't work for me. This is the Mana Kadar Bloom Mascara, and this retails for $29. It says Mana Kadar's Bloom Mascara delivers an intense lengthening and volumizing effect to your lashes. It is cruelty-free. Oh, its cruelty-free formula has a built-in primer and makes sure it grabs those hard-to-reach lashes. The round tip works to ensure an easy application without leaving any clumps behind. So I did try this today, and I had to bring in other mascaras to kind of save the day. Cool packaging. I think the packaging is fun, and it's kind of twisty looking, so that's really cool. I love it. It's kind of metallic-y. I think the whole theme of this box is really fun this month. So it's kind of an interesting, I don't even know how to describe that, bubbly sort of a wand, I guess is the best descriptor I can think of. It is a brush sort of a wand. It seems like kind of a liquidy kind of a formula, like not necessarily thick and goopy, just a little bit kind of liquidy, I guess. So I used this today. I couldn't get it to work for me. I didn't mind the wand shape for being able to get to the lashes, but the formula, it was just not really building on itself, not really giving me much volume or length. I tried several coats, and I feel like so many mascaras are like this, where it just kind of doesn't really build on itself, and it just sort of stays the same. The more you apply, it just kind of stays the same, or it clings to a couple of lashes. So that's what I was experiencing with this. I have tried other things from Mana Kadar, like I think they were all lip products, but everything that I've gotten in Boxycharms from this brand, I've really, really liked. So just not a fan of this. And like I said, I mean, I'm super picky about mascaras. My hair is across my face. I was like, do I have a brush hair on my forehead this whole time? No, it's my own hair. This one right here, just being a weird hair. We're all over the place today, folks. So anywho, I don't know, not my favorite mascara for sure. But like I said, I'm super picky about mascaras. Really excited about this. This is what I have on my lips today. This is the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick, and it retails for $20. It says it's a one-step full lip color that does not feather. These vibrant colors will give you a vivacious new look. They are creamy and soft in texture, moisturizing the lips and creating a long-lasting lipstick effect. No need to use lip liner. This liquid lipstick gives a beautiful edge to your lip look. Okay, so I got the shade Monaco. Pretty packaging to it. They've got that nice white branding now, so pretty packaging. This is a fun color. It is a metallic, which I don't really wear a ton, but I kind of do like this color. And I think I applied it pretty thickly. You know, I have quite a few coats on my lips, but a thin coat of it is kind of a little bit thicker. Like this is more of a burgundy, like a mauve burgundy sort of a color. This, a lighter application, I think goes a little bit more rosy pinky. So I think if you apply a light layer of it, it's kind of a pretty semi-neutral kind of a color. And I do even think with like a cream lipstick or a matte lipstick underneath this, and then just a little light application of this will give a little bit of dimension and kind of that light catching property, which I think is really fun. So I do think the color is fun, and I think it matches the whole theme of this box. Love the formula of the Ofra liquid lipsticks. They are some of my favorites. I think they're a lot more comfortable than most of them. They're usually not completely transfer proof, like they transfer a little bit, which I don't mind because I think that's what contributes to the comfort level with them. There's just a little bit more hydration to them. So love the formula, and I think the color is kind of fun. Is it my favorite color? No, I probably would have been excited about the possibility of a different color, but I'm not mad about it. I think it's still really pretty. And then last thing in here, my favorite thing to get in boxes is a palette. This is the Cover FX Perfector Face Palette, and it retails for $45. Says 6 must-have complexion essentials in one travel-friendly palette. The talc-free formula provides seamless blending and flawless application. Sculpt with contour, blush it up, and illuminate with 2 shimmering highlighters. Find your perfect finish with the brightener and finishing powder for a glowing, multi-dimensional look anywhere and everywhere you go. So nice, sturdy feeling packaging to it. Really nice mirror in here. I assume actually there is a cover on it, so I can't tell you. Well, I'd have to remove that. It feels nice quality, so I'm sure it's a good mirror. Here is what you get in here. There is a contour, 2 highlighters, a blush, and then these two guys right here. This says it is a finishing powder, and then this is the brightener. And I have this all over my face. Like I have the contour on, I have the blush on, I have both highlighters on, I have this on the inner corners of my eyes, and I did use the finishing powder just to kind of see what it would do. This is really, really pretty, and the formula of these products, so good. It's very, very blendable. The contour was so easy to apply and really beautiful. I did use this on my eyes. I mean, this is not, they're not saying this is formulated for eyes and face. They're saying this is for face, but I did use this on my eyes. It worked okay as an eyeshadow, but it works great on the face as a contour. So it works great for what it's saying that it is. So that was really nice. The blush was very, very blendable. Pigmented, but not difficult to blend. The highlighters are gorgeous and light catching. So pretty. Love the brightener. I mean, it's like almost like another highlighter. It's more of, these are more of like a wha-bam metallic. This is a little bit, it's still metallic, but maybe a little bit more on the pearl side. So slightly different than these, and obviously it's lighter, but so pretty. So you're basically getting 3 kind of illuminating sort of products. This is really the only thing that I'm not quite understanding or sure about or loving. So it is a finishing powder. It has a really nice texture to it, but there is micro shimmer in it, and I could see it on my face when I got close. And I know sometimes powders will have little micro shimmer in it, but I'm not ever really sure why. I don't really love that in a powder. I don't think it looks bad, but I just don't know that the little micro shimmer is necessary in there. So that's the only one in the palette that I'm a little bit like, I don't know about that. But everything else I love. Great formula on them. So there is a highlighter, there's the contour, there's the blush, there's the brightener, and the finishing powder is right there. Just a very, very nice quality palette. I love that this is in here. I mean, $45 palette, that's awesome. That's also great quality. I mean, it's not just like it's thrown in here and it's not that great. It's a really, really nice palette. So I am super excited about this. Favorite thing in the box for sure. Okay guys, so that's everything that I got in my box this month. So I just added up the value and it is $157.99. So awesome, awesome value to this box. So overall thoughts on it. So while I'm not a fan of a couple of things in here, I really, really enjoy the other things. Like I really, really like these brushes, love the Ofra liquid lipsticks, and I'm super excited about this palette. So those really save it for me, and I think this is still a great, great box. So if you want to sign up for Boxycharm, I will leave my link down below. No pressure whatsoever to use my link, but if you do, thank you so much. If you get Boxycharm, I would love to know what you got in your box and what your favorite thing was. Let me know that down below. Ask me any questions that you have. I'm happy to answer those. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!